We are interrupting this holiday broadcast with a very jolly video message from Roem.
Zij is echt een pestkop.
Zeker niet in dit kostuum dat je niet doet.
Hi, my name is Roem, winner of Drag Race Holland, Season 13, All Stars 56 and Drag Race Yugoslavia. Hi, I couldn't be here on stage tonight because first of all, I didn't want to catch coronavirus, girl. No, not at all. But also because Drag Race Holland claimed that I don't belong on stage. And to that I have to say, catch this. I'm so excited to see everyone in this digital space together. It's such a big crowd, almost bigger than the lips of Envy Peru. Now, 2020 was a different year. 2020 was the year of the virus. Yeah, the virus. The virus that Envy Peru on every goddamn single challenge of Drag Race Holland, and nobody knows why. But who cares? Who cares? Because Envy Peru was the only one who could fit into the Chelseaboy curtain. I mean dress. Chelseaboy dress. 2020 was also the year of the Nepa wife. I love you, Ali, oh my god. 2020 was also the year where Sedergine changed up her traffic light makeup. And just like a traffic light, when you see her, you will think twice about continuing with your life. Now, 2020 was also the year where Madame Madness became Madame Gillette Fusion. She cried so much during the show that she almost contemplated in changing her name to Madame Sadness. And let's not forget that 2020 was also the year of Fred van Leer. Now, I'm so grateful and thankful for getting to know Miss Van Ladder. Fred had a hard year. Something with a video, leaks and robbery. But who cares when you can have the Fred van Leer ornaments, Fred van Leer carpets, Fred van Leer male and female collection, Fred van Leer documentary, get Fred van Leer show tickets and also watch all his 5 TV shows for the holidays. Ding! Now, just like Fred, he and Chelseaboy both started doing drag 2 minutes before the first episode of Drag Race Holland. Now, don't get me wrong, I love Chelseaboy and I'm so inspired by their drag, especially when they look like another robot, reptile, alien vibrator. I love it. Now, I would love to say something mean about Mama Queen, but I just can't do it. She is so sweet. And I don't know if that's because she just has a good heart or just likes to smoke 20 joints in a random jungle. I don't know. But don't worry, I love Mama Queen so much. And I also love Megan Schoonbrood. Now, Megan claims to have 32 #1 titles. And I know all of them. Hooker, bitch, slut, whore, all of them. But this year, Megan can also add another title to her list. Robbed. Don't worry, I will stay silent about that. Talking about silent, do you all know Pam Pam? Pam Pam is such a great queen. They say that she was cast in this season as well, but I didn't notice her anywhere. Just kidding. Okay, really. I love Pam Pam and I actually think that she's one of the best lip syncers this season. Now you might think that I've forgotten to say something about Janey Jacke. But no, I didn't, because that bitch already got way too much screen time during Drag Race Holland. It's enough. And just like that, this video is also enough. Now it's time to celebrate the holidays. And I don't even like holidays, just as much as I dislike low-budget digital drag shows. So I wish you just as a horrible Christmas as I'm having right now, and I wish you a healthy 2021. And don't forget to follow me on social media. You know, social media, the thing I can't get eliminated from first. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Lots of love from me.